Hi, good afternoon. This is Teresa Seabolt, your Curriculum Technology Specialist with the EdTech Department, with a really quick tip today. Today is called the Link Validator. So have you ever had a student come to you or email you and say, your link's not working? And well, a lot of times if you have imported something from maybe previous years and you didn't check to see that your links are working, then they may not work, or you forgot to turn something on. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to check to make sure all your links are working. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Settings, and then you're going to see over on the right, it says Validate Links in Content. So go ahead and click that, and it's going to run through a link validator, and you just kind of let it do its magic. Okay, so you'll notice that I have found 9 broken links. These could be images, they can be outside links, they can also be course links. So then you'll just need to go through each one and check and make sure that your links are working properly. The next thing that you need to do is go over to your account over on the left navigation and to notifications, and make sure down at the bottom under alerts where it says content link error, and make sure you have that turned on. And I would turn it on for notify immediately so that I would know immediately and get a notification that one of my links wasn't working. So very quick tip today, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.